Hey guys, this is Joe Farley, your Man's Life Coach. I'm here in my office. We're preparing for this February 7th for Arrears workshop. Now this workshop is going to be in detail. When you leave this workshop out of my office in my conference room area, we're going to help you have a complete motion. I call it basically, when I do a virtual one, we call it the motion completion webinar. This is where you're going to be sitting down at one of our tables in a group, and we're going to be addressing the back child support. Many of you have been faced with the back child support challenges and the enforcements that the court has for you. When you're behind in child support, they can actually intercept your tax refund. Many of you know about this, okay? I know I had at one particular time when they took 50% or more of my tax refund because they had back child support well over, at that time, $6,000. And I think that was back in 2009. Hey, I said 2009. I started this business in 2007, okay? So I do know the pressures and the woes that we have as a father who is involved with their children's lives, but yet and still, the friend of the court is taking additional monies. I did not know that if they're taking up to 50% of my income, there's something that I can do about it. Well, we're going to show you the 1, 2, 3 step on what you need to do to basically reduce or eliminate some of this back child support. You guys might have some gray hair like me, and you still have back child support issues. I'm going to show you how to address it. I don't care if your income is at $50,000 or you're not making any income at all, or you're making a little bit of income and they're taking the child support enforcement arrears, back child support out of your check. Let's get together and talk about how we can address this. But you want to register for our upcoming event on February 7th, okay? It's going to start at 10 o'clock here. It's going to take about maybe 3 to 4 hours. And we're going to have light refreshments in the beginning of the session as well in the mid-session, because we're going to work this out so you know what to say and how to fill out the motions. It's going to be complete. All you got to do is file it. And if you don't want to file it, I do have a professional relationship with a courier that will file it for you. So we got it all taken care of for you, okay? So click the link below, register today, and by the way, some of you may not have all the money, but we have a payment plan where you can actually divide the payment into 4 payments every 2 weeks for 4 payments. That's 2 months to pay for something that you're going to get service today on that workshop. Hey, I look forward to helping you. We've helped many fathers address back child support. You'll hear more about it before we get started. So stay posted. Make sure you go to our website. Make sure that you log in and register, and we have some free information for you too when you do register, and you'll be part of our family of Friends of Fathers, where we are helping fathers to navigate through the child support services and navigate through the child support issues, whether you're in this Tri-County area here in Michigan, or you might be just local, just only in Wayne County. We're going to help you. All right? We've helped many other fathers and looking forward to helping you. Remember, Friends of Fathers, where we are strengthening men and empowering fathers. God bless you.